Welcome to an introduction to healing work with me. My name is Mona and I absolutely love transformation and healing work because it helped me so much to create the life I really desire and free myself from so much old baggage that was really heavy and not necessarily to carry anymore. And because I love this work so much, I give you this free introduction to healing work with me. And this guided meditation helps you to overcome any obstacles, any challenge you're currently facing in your life, so you can choose wherever you like to. And all you need is to come into a comfortable place where you can either sit or lay down and relax for a moment. If you need to pause that video to find that spot, feel free to do so and come back when you're settled in. And once you're ready and you find your position, I invite you to close your eyes and maybe move your hips and shoulders or any parts of your body that ask for movement still before you can arrive in stillness. And then when you find your spot in stillness, I invite you to bring the awareness towards your breath. Take a deep inhale into your belly and exhale through the mouth out. Deep inhale and exhale, let go. Notice how especially every exhalation is helping you to relax more. How you can soften your muscles and how you allow yourself to simply drop into the present moment. Letting go of everything that happened today, this week, this month. And just arriving in the here and now. To come to a deeper relaxation, we will breathe into each and every body part. So I invite you to guide the next inhalation all the way down into your feet. And with the exhalation, relax your feet. Inhale into your ankles. And exhale, relax the ankles. Inhale into your calves. And exhale, relax your calf muscles. Inhale into your knees. And exhale, relax your knees. Inhale into your thighs. And exhale, let go of your whole legs. Inhale into your pelvis and hip area. And let go with the exhalation. Inhale into your belly and lower back. And exhale, relax your belly and lower back. Inhale into your chest and shoulders. And exhale, relax chest and shoulders. Inhale into your arms, hands and fingers. And exhale, relax arms, hands and fingers. Inhale into your throat and neck. And exhale, let go and soften throat and neck. Inhale into your face. And exhale, Let your face become very soft. Inhale into your head. And exhale, relax your whole head. Inhale into your whole body. And exhale, relax your whole body even more. One more time. Inhale into your whole body. And exhale, sink even deeper into your relaxation. And then bring this topic you would like to work on in front of your mind's eye. Maybe you see yourself in a certain situation. Maybe you see some things occurring, some people on the screen. And whatever you are seeing and feeling right now, I want you to connect with the emotion that comes up in your body when you think about that topic. What are you feeling? What sensations are present in your body? And maybe you can locate the sensation and place your hand on that body part wherever you feel something. Maybe you feel a tightness. Maybe it's an emotion like sadness or anger. And I invite you to just be fully present with that emotion for a moment. You can always use your breath as a tool, guiding fresh new space, new energy into that spot where you feel that feeling. And with the exhalation, you let go and surrender. When we're staying fully present with an emotion, it will clear itself automatically. So really try to just be present with whatever is. Try not to suppress it. Try not to push it away. Allow yourself to open up and to feel. And then gently ask your body, ask yourself, when was the very first time you felt that emotion or that sensation? Maybe you see a clear memory in front of your mind's eye. Maybe it's difficult for you to connect with that very first moment. And if you have challenges to connect with that very first moment, you can ask yourself, how would it be if you would know? You can also try to visualize or imagine that emotion like a string throughout your life, and try to find the very beginning of that string of emotion. If it's not clear when it started, just connect to the feeling. And again, allow yourself to feel what you felt then. Let this emotion just wash through your body like a wave in the ocean. Breathe into it and stay with it. And then observe what stories come up in your mind, what thoughts are present. What did you tell yourself maybe back then when that emotion came into your life for the very first time? Maybe it's a thought of like, I am not safe, I am not heard, I am not seen, I am not loved. Whatever comes intuitively to your mind, just let it be. Welcome it with open arms. And go a level deeper and ask yourself, how does this story still influence you in your day-to-day life now? And if more emotions are coming up, just let them come up and breathe through them, knowing that you're absolutely capable of holding these emotions now, of feeling what needs to be felt. And then make a conscious decision. Is this what you would like to continue? Does this story support your dreams and what you really would like to bring into this world? And the answer is no. So I invite you to tune in with yourself, to ask yourself, what did you need back then to feel worthy, to feel loved, to feel safe, to feel seen and heard? And can you give that to yourself now? If you see your younger self, maybe you need to speak some loving and kind words. Maybe your younger self needs a big hug and some love and acceptance. Take a moment to find out whatever you need to feel whole again. And give that to yourself. And also coming back to the story you told yourself. Is there maybe a new narrative you would like to continue? Maybe it is exactly the opposite of what you've told yourself back then. How does it feel in your body if you repeat internally your new mantra of I am loved, I am worthy, I am heard, I am seen, I am safe, or any other mantra you need to repeat in your mind that is reflecting the opposite of what you told yourself back then. How does it feel in your body to say that internally? And it's natural to maybe feel that it's strange, new. Maybe you feel a little bit of resistance, and that's completely fine. You can work with this mantra now for the next month to repeat it consciously in your day-to-day life, to really let it sink in so that your cells remember your new self and you become that version of yourself. Take another moment to check in with yourself if you need anything further, and if you would like to stay in the process, feel free to pause me and give yourself more love, more acceptance, or anything you need. And when you feel that process comes to completion, just observe what shifted within yourself. Maybe you feel a little bit lighter, maybe you feel a little bit more open. And then take a moment for gratitude towards yourself, for taking the time of doing the work, doing the healing, being curious about yourself, getting to know yourself better. And then take another deep breath. And whenever you're ready, you can come back to the space. Maybe you start gently moving your fingers and toes. Do any movement that's needed for your body right now. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes again and come back to the space. Thank you so much for diving deep into your subconsciousness and exploring what you need. You can come back to that practice as often as you want. If you feel like sharing your experience, please DM me either on Instagram or send me an email or on any other channels. I would really love to hear how this experience was for you. And if you're interested in going deeper, feel free to reach out. I'm always looking forward to hear from you. Much love. Thank you so much.